This week, we'll check out a popular taco spot on Spring Street and get a preview of the latest production from the East West Players. All that and more right here on City Living. Hello and welcome to City Living, sponsored by Philippe's, home of the French dip. I'm Alicia Darby. In this story, we'll visit a hip new taco spot causing a stir in the Spring Arcade. Taco restaurants are everywhere in Los Angeles, but to find some of the best tacos in the city, you can head right down to Spring Arcade, where a Guisado's location has recently opened. The popular spot, originally from Royal Heights, offers a simple menu with home-style braises on homemade tortillas.
It started off as the idea of home-style braises, things that we grew up with, the same flavors that are usually served with a side of rice and beans on a plate, rather than we complement them with handmade tortillas. So everything we serve is either cooked in one pot or it's put together into a pot and slowly cooked together. It's a very simple approach. It's been done before in Mexico, like on the streets. We just decided to do it in a restaurant in Los Angeles, which really hasn't been done before. So it's been very well received.
Guisado's is located at 541 Spring Street. For more information, visit guisados.co. After this quick word from our sponsor, we'll have more City Living.
At 1010 Wilshire, the fully furnished suites come with free utilities, cable, internet, and valet parking. And the award-winning rooftop features a pool, jacuzzi, full gym, movie room, complimentary happy hour, and much more. With flexible lease terms, 1010 is the perfect option for whatever your needs may be. 1010 Wilshire is a lifestyle solution for professionals wanting to live, work, and play.
A Tale of Love and Origami takes the stage in the latest play from the East West Players. To kick off their 50th season, the East West Players offer up the latest play from Pulitzer Prize-nominated playwright Rajiv Joseph. Animals Out of Paper tells the story of a world-renowned origami artist who finds that love and life can't always be as easily arranged as paper. The play will open at the David Henry Wang Theater on September 10th and runs through October 5th, with regular performances Wednesdays through Saturdays at 8 p.m. and Sundays at 2 p.m. For more information on dates and tickets, visit eastwestplayers.com. And now a word from our sponsor.
At Mustang Motel, guests will enjoy a comfortable stay at an affordable price. Located at 4121 Southwestern Avenue, Mustang Motel is your destination for escape. Book a room today. Mustang Motel, we wish you were here.
And that's our show. We'll be back on Monday with more news from the downtown area. Until next time, I'm Alicia Darby for City Living, sponsored by Philippe's, home of the French dip.